Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to log into your beautiful AI account on your computer online. And now let's start writing. Now to log into your beautiful AI account online on your PC, first open up your preferred browser. As I have already opened the Google Chrome, and on the search bar click over there and type in beautiful.ai like this and don't enter, or you can just simply search for beautiful AI login like this and don't enter. And on the first result of Google, you can see there is the beautiful AI login page. Click over there, and there, guys, this is the direct login page of the beautiful AI itself from the Google result. Whereas on the first tab, we are still on the home page of the beautiful AI, and at the top right corner of this page, you can see the logins. Let's get started option available over here. If you have not yet created an account on Beautiful AI, simply click on Get Started and you'll be taken to the registration process of Beautiful AI. With that being said, let's click on Login. And you can see, guys, both of these pages are same. One was from the Google search results and one is from the web address itself. So let's close one of these because both of them are same. Now in order to log into your Beautiful AI account, you can also log into your Beautiful AI account with your Google account. If you click on the sign in with Google account like this, or login page with authenticated to Google account will open like this. And if you sign into your Google account, you'll be logged into the beautiful AI platform with your Google account, but we'll not be doing that. We'll be typing our email address manually like this. And after entering your email address, enter your password over here under the password section which you had registered on the beautiful AI at the time of creating your account. Or if you've forgotten your password, you can click on over here which says the forgot your password, and you'll be able to retrieve your or reset your password of the beautiful AI account. That being said, after entering your email address and your password, simply click on sign in, and then you'll be logged into your beautiful AI account online. Or if you have not yet created an account on beautiful AI, you can also start to create your account from over here. And if you click on the create an account button, you'll be taken to the registration process of the beautiful AI. With that being said, guys, this is how you log into your beautiful AI account. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.